Lucid lost $433,000 per car for each car they sold in the quarter. I can't even fathom that. Like, it breaks my brain. They lost $433,000 per car. Tesla just killed one of its competitors. Tesla has put a nail in the coffin. Tesla has put them out to pasture. Tesla continues to dominate. At least that's what I saw when I saw that Lucid lost $433,000 per car it sold during the quarter. Tesla, I don't know the numbers for Tesla here. Lucid lost $433,000 per car for each car they sold in the quarter. I can't even fathom that. Like, it breaks my brain. They lost $433,000 per car. It says they delivered 1,457 units and produced 550. The electric vehicle manufacturer also revised its 2023 production outlook, reducing its range from range to 8,000 to 8,500 from a previous goal of 10,000. Listen, I've seen a couple Lucids around. I drive a Tesla myself, and man, those Lucid cars just don't do it, right? They just don't do it. It's the fact that Tesla set the bar so high, and now everybody has to chase that for the next decade to catch up to where Tesla is today. And the compounding gains that they're going to make after that point, it's putting everyone else out of business, right? Lucid's revenue represents a 30% year-over-year decrease, resulting in a revenue miss. Lucid incurred a net loss of $631 million during the quarter, marking a 19% year-over-year increase. So they increased their losses over the quarter. Hey, I tell you what, I need some editing done on this one today. If you're just tuning in, my name is Christopher Yule, and we cover the biggest headlines of the day and what the AI trading data says about it. And if you're interested in that too, be sure to definitely hit the subscribe button down below. And start trading with AI today. Head to OVTLYR.com to see why outliers win. So the company reported a per vehicle loss of $433,000, but that's an improvement. That's a huge improvement from the $544,000 loss it reported in Q2. Dude, this is awesome, right? Imagine, we're only losing $500,000 per vehicle we sell. But in a quarter from now, we're only going to be losing $400,000 per vehicle we sell. We are on the fast track to profitability. Bro, you got so far to go, it's not even funny. You might as well not even try at this point. I will tell you, I was excited about one thing. I am a huge James Bond fan. And they said that they are finalizing a transaction with Aston Martin to supply electric powertrains. Now, here's the deal. If they start producing an electric DB11, or whatever it'll be, DB42 by that point, if they start producing an electric Aston Martin Vanquish, I would be very interested in that, right? You gotta sell what people want, right? They're also talking about a Gravity SUV that's expected to start being produced in late next year. You gotta produce what people want, and clearly people don't want the Lucids. But if they partner up with Aston Martin, that could elevate both brands into a really, really cool place, especially if they can get the new James Bond driving the new Aston Martin with the new Lucid powertrain. I think that would be pretty darn cool. So let's go take a look at what the AI trading data says about Tesla. What's going on in Tesla these days? Nobody's trading Lucid anyway. Tesla just got a buy signal on November 6th. So 2 days ago, Tesla just got a buy signal. And this signal return is showing a 235.66% return. So if you're interested in being one of the first people to get these AI trading signals, head to OVTLYR.com to see why outliers win. Now let's go take a look at what the internet says, right? They lost boatloads per car during the quarter. That's approximately what a Rolls-Royce Cullinan costs per car. I would love a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. I think those are some pretty awesome. Like, I've never been a Rolls-Royce guy, but seeing these, I'm like, I could drive one of those. That'd be pretty sweet. And this person says, hey, this seems sustainable. Are they run by the government? The only Lucid thing about them is their bankruptcy. Yeah, absolutely. Lucid as a company is in so much trouble. However, if they can figure out how to get the Lucid Motors inside of James Bond's new car, That would be pretty cool. And I also got to figure out one day, how in the world does the YouTube algorithm work? Because it just tells me that one of these two videos is going to be awesome for you to watch. So thank you for tuning into today's OVTLYR Live. We'll see you on the next episode.